Hi there, I'm Jonathan Lasecki, Director of Engineering here at Ashworth. Ashworth is a leading conveyor belt company that manufactures and services both metal and plastic conveyor belts for straight running, turn curve, low tension, and other spirals. I look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas at IBIE. IBIE is our opportunity to hear what challenges you're facing when it comes to moving products, processing equipment, or belting needs that fit your space. This year, we'll feature a vast line of metal belts along with our newest plastic belt line. We'll also be showcasing our latest innovative smart technology for spirals and ovens. I personally invite you to take part in our smart technology demo that takes guesswork out of maintenance. At IBIE, you'll have the opportunity to view our PosiDrive spiral system in action, the industry's original direct drive spiral. With its unique cage design, the PosiDrive maintains product orientation, lowers belt tension, and increases production capacity. A perfect solution for oily products, the PosiDrive spiral system is designed for processing both heavy and lightweight foods, and is ideal for retrofitting current proofing, cooling, and freezing spiral applications. Join Ashworth at IBIE 2025 at booth 2101 in the West Hall. Meet our experts, participate in our demos, and witness our innovation firsthand. Together, we can provide you with simplified solutions to help your business succeed and keep your business moving forward.